This question says to select all of the inequalities that are true if x is equal to 4. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a number line. And I'm just going to label 0 in the middle there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where x is equal to 4, is this spot right here. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and fill in -1, -2, -3. So I know my positives are going this way. My negatives are going this way. So what I need to think about here with these different values, when I read this, I need to think, what does this say? Well, the alligator is eating the 2. Okay, Pac-Man's eating the 2. That means, sorry, that's not focusing very well. That means that the 2 is bigger, okay, or greater, and the x is smaller. So we always graph what x is. If x is smaller than 2, that means we're looking at anything at 2, okay, behind 2. This doesn't include 4, so that isn't a solution. The next one says x, and then this inequality in 10. I can read this and I can know that this says again that the 10 is bigger, so x is smaller. So I would read this as x is smaller than 10. So I would have to go to 10 up here somewhere, and I'd be looking at all the numbers smaller. Would that include 4? Yes, it would. So that's a solution. The next one says the same inequality, and it has the number 4. But when I look at this, this doesn't have an equal sign to it. X is bigger, 4 is bigger, x is smaller, but x doesn't equal the 4. I know it has to be 4, so that one doesn't work. The next one says x, and now we've got a different inequality symbol. This would say x is bigger, but it also has the line underneath it. So because it's also equal to, I know it counts at the 4. It would be that going forward, so I know this works. And lastly, we have this one that says x is bigger or equal to 8. Now, if x is bigger or equal to 8, that's looking at 8 down here and saying, okay, it includes 8, but it goes this way. So that's not true, so I know these are my only two answers.